All right, guys, go ahead and do this with me. So if you guys catch what I'm doing, guys, we're gonna break this down in this lesson. It's an exciting lesson. Stay tuned, guys. A lot of practice, a lot of fingering techniques. I want you guys to do it with me. This is Roland Blazay. Let's get started.
Something that's good for me.
What's going on, guys? Right now we are in the key of C. And listen, our chord progression is simple. If you're just starting out, if you've been playing Kompa, you should know that this is the and de. But what are your chord progression, guys? You're on C, you're on F, you're on G, you're on F. So it's basically one, your first note, which is C, your fourth note, which is F, your fifth note, which is G, and your fourth note, which is F again. So it's a 1, 4, 5, 4. Very simple chord progression, guys. So I'm about to teach you a technique where most of the most talented keyboard players love doing this just to add flavor to their chord solos, guys. They love doing it, and it's very simple, very easy. They just kind of bounce fast off the notes. So we're gonna do this in the key of C, guys. So as you heard the beat, what was I doing to the C chord? So instead of doing a simple C solo, I did this. I hit the third note of C. Then I went. So I want you guys to do that with me. And start to do it faster and faster. Do the E and B part fast. And then hit your fifth note, which is G. And then we move that same technique to the F chord when we get to F. Then we move the same technique to the G. So it's very simple, guys. So this is how you train your fingers. Make sure your thumb is on C and start with your third note, which is E. And you're playing with these two. So it's E, D, E, D. And then you land on your first note, which is, so I want you guys to go ahead and try it out with me. And there's different ways you can do this, guys. You can even do it with the fourth. You can do it different ways, guys, but we're just gonna do it with the third note of each chord. So now I'm going to play the beat, and I want you guys to keep the timing of the beat and do it with me, guys. Okay, so the beat is faster than what we were doing. So this is how you master this technique. G, F. This is how you train your fingers, guys. Try it out for yourself, guys. Bouncing off the second and third note of each chord. Very simple, guys. That's how you add flavor to your Kompa solos. Now we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can do with this, guys. Now, we're gonna do the same, I call it slides. Even though it's not really a slide, but I call it slide because they're bouncing off the notes next to each other. We're gonna try the same technique using the fifth and fourth note of each chord. So if you're in C, the fourth note would be, it would be F. So we're gonna do it with these three notes instead of these three notes. So watch this, guys. And then when we get to F, we're gonna do it with A, B, and C. And then when we get to G, we're gonna do it with B, C, D. So we're gonna use the third, fourth, and fifth notes. guys get it? Okay, now I want you guys to try this out for yourself. Instead of, we did that already. Let's try the 3rd, 4th, and 5th note of C, which is G, F, G, F, E. So it's G, F, G, F, C. And I like to end it with this C. And then when you're on the F, you go C, B, C, D, A, which is the, and you get hit F, then, and on a G you can do the same thing, which is D, C, D, C, B. So do it with me, guys. We're gonna do it slow. Now we're gonna do it a little faster. Now we're gonna do it even faster. And it helps if you have a smooth sound to do it with. Because let's say we do it with a more rough sound. Listen to this. It sounds good, but it sounds better with a C well, actually. Yeah, it sounds better with a C well. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. So, guys, if you want this beat, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com or just click the description, guys. I'll put the link in the description. If you want to learn more about Kompa slides, go ahead and click on this video you see on the screen right there. This is Roland Blazay, KompaKeyboardSchool.com, signing out.